Hello, good morning. So we're here now in Santo Niño. We're having a ride with Angelica. Angelica, say hi. And of course, with ever beautiful Rosel. Hi. And we also have Rael. 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 At sa likod, nandun sila, Rodney. Hindi nila sa likod pa. Rodney, Thea, and hi kayo sa cam. Ayan. So, we're going, we're heading to, saan tayo pupunta?
Of the joy it brings.
We're heading to, Rosel. Pastor. Video. Yes, so we're heading to Pampanga now.
I see birds fly across the sky. Everyone's heart flies together.
Or
If food is fried and people smiling, like there is no other way to feel good. When I feel good, I sing, and the joy it brings makes me feel good.
oh, careful.
When I feel good, I sing, and the joy it brings. I say, come on along. I know you really want to feel awesome. We've got some life to bring.
Parang narinig ko sa grade 7 yung time.
Come on along. I know you really want to feel awesome. We've got some life to bring. We've got some joy in this day.
Yes, again. Yeah, nandito na kami papunta sa pinaka-swamp. Siyempre, medyo pangit ang daan. Look at step and open. Go, go, go! Kaya yan!
Hey,
Akay, ayun lang yan. Malilinis kami sa patos eh.
I say, come
Yan,
on along. I know you really want to feel awesome. We've got some life to bring. We've got some joy in this day.
Kaya yan tayo mamaya.
I know you
Pwede
really
lang
want to
naman eh.
feel awesome. We've got some life to bring. We've got some joy in this day.
Ha?
Can you feel
Talagang galing yun.
the
Talagang
joy that
ganun.
it brings?
Part yan ng lyrics natin.
If you can feel the joy, then you should let yourself sing.
Yes. Nasaan ka ba? Ayun pala, Rosel.
Hey,
Go, go,
I love to
Jay.
share
Go,
my
Jay.
happiness, 'cause it brings me freedom.
We're going.
Smiling and feeling your heart beat freedom. You deserve your freedom.
So, nandito na kami sa Pranggapo West Coast Sanctuary. So, wow! Bye-bye!
It's all for you, all for you, all
Ay,
for you.
kami! Dalawa!
Sing freedom.
Okay!
Get you some of the got to give you some of the got to get you some of that freedom.
Bye! Go, Rocky! Kaya yan! Step!
Wala doon sa dito eh. Wala nga.
We were strangers, starting out
Go,
on a
Gigi!
journey. Never
Woo!
dreamed
Goodbye!
what we'd have to go through.
Go, Step!
Here we
Point four.
are,
Dito na kami
suddenly standing at the beginning with you.
And Roddy, nakapila sa photo. And Steph, the bombera. And we have Angelica. Nagbuhugan. Hindi pa kayo hinugasan sa sapatos. And Rosel, na kanina tayo nag-wine. And Rael, si Iron Rael. Nakapagulay. Andrew, vibes na nandito
We
kami
were
sa swamp.
strangers on a crazy
Wala pang
Anthony, iwan mo.
kami. And we have Roosevelt with the malasadong egg. Rael with combi. Thea with Hansel. Thea. And of course, the hotdog ni Roddy na tinutubo ni Steph. Roddy, ang gusto na hotdog mo. Paano mag-edit si Steph? Kaya so, tama yun. At syempre ako, ang namumulang itlog ko, ito yun. Ito yun namumulang itlog ko para yun. So, ayan, feel free, walang ang gastos lang namin, putek. Ang gastos lang natin, bike one, saka... Gutom mo. Eh, next time magdala na tayo ng carpet. Ay, carpet yung tawag 10. So, yan. Dikain lang mo. Sayang, wala mong tatong our documentary. Roosevelt, Thea, Angge, Steph, Rael, and Roddy, and of course, the host, the cameraman, the people, yan. So, nag-enjoy naman sa akin, guys. Rael. Ano? Okay. Ayan na. Okay, sige. Mamaya na lang, part 7. Kila Thea. See you later. 7. Cleaning ng bike. Roosevelt and Angelica. And Roosevelt, Angelica. Lilinis ng bike. Mga dang. Ay, mga ano pala? Day. Oo nga eh.